So today we are going to be making some healthy carnitas that are going to be delicious. 15 minutes worth of prep, but the best part about this is we're going to be doing it Happy Meal style. Stay tuned. I wish you could smell how good this is. Now, anybody likes to cook, you know what I'm talking about, fresh jalapenos. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Welcome back. This is a Happy Meal Diet. And today, just like we talked about, we're going to be making some homemade carnitas that are nice and healthy. These are perfect for phase 2 and phase 3. And if you like content like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and also smash that notification bell so you can be in the know when we cook amazing recipes just like this. You're going to be losing weight without sacrificing any other flavor. Really simple prep. The hardest thing you have to do while it takes 15 minutes is chop a few things up. This is the perfect time for you to practice those cutting skills. Very easy, very fast. Get somebody to help you. It goes even faster. Let's go to the table. So these are going to be slow cooker carnitas. Now, get this out the way. Let's get this prepped in here. Cilantro. Got our onions. I'm putting about half of it in the bottom. I'll put the rest on top. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're kind of getting the bottom ready. So we got some fresh sliced jalapenos. Toss those in. And just to make sure everyone knows, so we got oregano. We got fresh cracked black pepper, cumin, a little bit of salt, olive oil, a little bit of ancho chili powder, and some oranges. It'll all make sense in a minute. I'm gonna have the ingredients in the comments. And now what we do is we got everything topped off. Don't worry that about the liquid in there. It doesn't need much liquid at all. A lot of that's gonna come from the pork shoulder / Boston butt. Now we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna cook this bad boy on high. And we're going to cook this for about 6 hours. See you in a few minutes once we kind of do part 2 of this. All right, so we just got this out of the crock pot and I was trying to put a big piece in here, but it fell apart like nothing, which lets you know that we cooked this just right. And what you want to do is you get your sharpest knife and you just have some fun with this. Some people like big chunks. We don't really like the big chunks. My little buddy does not like doing that. What we're going to do is we're going to chop this up. And guys, we are at the finish line right here. All we got to do is cut this out to preference. There's a couple different ways we can do this, but we're going to save on some calories and not do it that way by frying it. We like ours nice and juicy and moist. Look at that. Perfect. There's lots of different low-carb tortillas you can use. We're using a different brand, so find one that works best for you based upon where you are. This looks about good. All right, so we're going to do it this way. Now this is for eating. Go in, grab it. Boom. Get a little bit more. There's no such thing as too much meat. Some onions, some cilantro. This is a very hands-on food. Get a little bit of the salsa we just made as a bonus. Oh, just like that. And it's about to get real. I'm about to dive in. This tastes awesome. So simple. 15 minutes worth of prep. Sure, it takes a few hours to cook, but guess what? You can do so many things. Yard work, go to work. Being smart about this, don't leave things on the counter cooking. But the family can be doing other things and you can come back home knowing there's some good food. Even if you forget the salsa or omit the salsa completely, this will not take more than 15 minutes worth of prep. And you're having some good food. Excuse me for, slurping while I'm talking to you all right now. We're about to get back to this. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Meal Diets are where we're at when it comes to finding some great food that keeps the whole family happy.